Okay, this is what it looked like if you are a bit far. So you would notice that there's a stairs now. Stairs. Look at all the dirt. And if you notice from the stairs, they already filled it up with all this panambak. So it's okay now, except from this part, not yet filled. Maybe later, ubos na yung panambak. Basically. So, lalagyan na siya ng flooring. So, may metal na siya. Ready for flooring. It's ready for flooring, and pipelines are already fixed again for the new heights. So, pipelines in. So, mataas na siya, if you notice. From the level, you notice the level of the floor towards the bakod. So here it is. Here it is. So this is the interesting part. It's the bahay 2. We've noticed sa taas, palitada na yung space. So medyo furnished na siya ng konti. So bubong na lang ang kulang. So yan. See that? See that? See that? Okay, so then I need to go down for a while to check it inside. Now, here it is. So, okay. Mataas na siya. If you have noticed, yung flooring is already in cement. Actually, kakasemento lang yan. You know. So, cementado na siya. The toilets is there. I cannot get inside there for now. But I can go to the other side. So, notice from here. So, yung flooring here, you know, dito pa. So, that's it. Same thing in here. Dito is, although if you notice pala sa loob, notice inside, medyo finish na yun. Nagfi-finishing na sila. You know, they're trying to finish the inside so that we can transfer easily. Finish na yung inside, although yung outside hindi pa furnished. That will be fine. They can furnish it out later. Okay, second here is the second house. This is what I like. So yan, no, second house. Notice this is the window. This will be the window in case. So ito siya. Yan. Kaka-furnish pa lang ng bandang taas. So sorry, nag-a-adjust yung camera. So, medyo maliwanag. See? Adjust. Alright. And guess what? There is a lavabo! Ha ha ha! A lavabo! A lavabs! And this is the toilet. A toilet. See that? So yeah. So the toilet. See that? Okay. The other one, medyo basa pa kasi yung flooring. So, you know, I can't take a video. Although this stairs is not yet that fixed. So, it will be fixed kasi iniisa-isa nila. Inuna nila yung kabilang side. So, notice that it will be up soon. Medyo bumabagyo lang ngayon. It's raining. So, pahinto-hinto. Basically, sa stairs. This will be the stairs, no? Taas na yung stairs niya. Tapos, notice here, flooring niya. Medyo mataas siya. See how high it is. Mataas. Mataas.